Going gluten free. Ever wondered why it is so hard to knead corn flour into dough? Well, that's because it doesn't have the gluten protein in it. Gluten protein is found when two different types of protein, the glutenin and gliadin, are mixed with water and kneaded. On kneading, it forms a sticky matrix that can be obtained from cereal flours like wheat, rye, barley, and triticale. With the media and entertainment agencies' over-involvement, gluten has become notorious. But the fact is, but the question is it actually that bad? Well, no, because the research shows that people who have consumed whole grains, including wheat and rye, have shown a reduced risk of heart cancers. Gluten is exceptionally great in its action as a prebiotic in which it promotes the growth of bifidobacteria in the human colon. Hence, the human gut is healthy and active. It is also involved in the reduced chances of type 2 diabetes and in the maintenance of human weight. All these are very good factors, but once the body starts sensing as a toxic material, the inner battle of the best starts to happen. There might be many reasons why you are taking up a gluten-free diet. It could be because you are diagnosed with celiac disease, which is an autoimmune disorder in which the gluten protein damages the lining of small intestine. Hence, the small intestine prevents the absorption of nutrients from food. It might be due to non-celiac gluten sensitivity, in which there is no damage to the immune and intestinal system, but the body fails to metabolize the gluten protein. Or a doctor might have told you that you have gluten ataxia, which is an autoimmune disorder which affects nervous tissues and causes problems with the muscle control. You might have heard of the term wheat allergy. Like peanut allergy, wheat allergy is actually an allergy to any kind of protein. It could be a gluten protein, or it could be a protein other than gluten which is found in the wheat. The last but not least, it is dermatitis herpetiformis (DH), which is a skin rash disease that occurs from eating gluten. Its symptoms include rashes on the skin, redness, eventually leading to blisters and bumps. Well, in all these diseases, the body's nutrient deficiency happens. Loss of absorption of nutrients, osteoporosis, anemia, nervous disorders, muscles problem, diarrhea, bloating, abdominal pain, like brain becomes foggy, you are unable to think of a clear thought. All these symptoms are related in one way or another. But the thing is, the question arises how to detect. Well, if you are sensing that you might be facing with gluten allergy or gluten intolerance, you can go on a gluten-free diet. If the body starts improving, there are chances that you have any of these above allergies or gluten intoxication, and hence it's better to go for a blood screening test or a biopsy from small intestine. Opt for a gluten-free diet that includes meat, fruits, vegetables, and the market is so rich in gluten-free alternatives. It has been using potato flours, rice flours, pea flours, soya flour, sorghum, potatoes, and quinoa, etc. The market is so rich in products that you are eventually going to get a gluten-free alternative. So if you have any of these allergies, then you are supposed to strictly follow the gluten-free diet and take up your nutritional supplements. And if you don't have a gluten allergy, it's always better to incorporate some wheat or gluten into your diet because it is excellent source of folate, fiber, and vitamin B complex. So in one way or another, you are supposed to incorporate all these nutrients into your diet for a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.